Hello everyone, this is Mukesh, and in this video we will see the different features and the method of connectivity of this Dell MS5320W mouse. In previous video I have shown you the unboxing of this same mouse, and in this video I will show you practically how we can connect this mouse with multiple devices, and we will also see what are the difficulties and facilities available in this mouse while we are connecting multiple devices. In market we have lots of option, but the best comparison is uh, Logitech M590. This mouse also comes with many great features, but it can connect only two devices, while this Dell mouse can connect three devices at the same time. This Logitech mouse has better customizable features in comparison to this Dell MS5320W mouse. So that's all. Now without any delay, let's get started.
So first I will insert this USB receiver in the USB port in my HP laptop, and but cursor is not moving. So first make sure that the mouse should be switched on, and the first LED should blink, because first LED is referring to the USB receiver. So now it's working. Now let's try to connect second device. So I will click on this switch button, and now second LED is blinking, so that means now it is ready to connect second device. So in second device I will connect using Bluetooth. So go to setting, and here switch on the Bluetooth and click on add button. So now it will search the LED mouse Bluetooth, but if you are not able to search at that time, you will have to use different methods. You can wait for some time. If it is not connecting, then what we can do, click first time and then long press on this switch button, so it will start repeatedly blinking. So now as we can see, there is a notification came. So using this notification we can connect the mouse. We can wait for some time. I think it should be connected. Close this, and here as we can see that it is connected. And now I will install the Dell Peripheral Manager. This software, actually it is required to customize the button of this mouse. First time it will automatically install that software if you are connecting USB receiver or with any Bluetooth. If internet is on in your laptop, then it will automatically install that Dell Peripheral Manager software into your system. But if it is not installing, then you can install it manually through the website. I will provide this link in the description. So now you can click on download button, and this will download that software. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. Now Dell Peripheral Manager is opened. So here as we can see, there is two picture given here, and this is the second picture and this is the first picture. In the first picture, the upper portion of the mouse is showing, and we can customize three buttons. So this is the left tilt. So we can tilt wheel in the left side, and now we can customize the right tilt of the wheel, and we can also customize the click of wheel. So there are lots of options. You can customize as per your requirement. Now I will select second picture, and here there are two buttons we can customize. So I am going to assign a keystone. So here I will press any shortcut button. So I am pressing Windows E to open the Windows Explorer, and in this button I will provide Windows V to see the clipboard. So the two shortcut I have provided into this button, so it is customized now. I will just check that whether this thing is working or not. I have clicked the downward button, and it is showing like clipboard. So now by clicking on it, it has pasted that things here, and it is the Windows G, so it has opened the Windows Explorer. Now I will show you how it is working in the phone. So long press on this Bluetooth button in the notification bar, and here it has opened, and it will take some time to search the devices. But again, if it is not connecting with your phone, then you can again do the same thing as we have done previously. We can long press. Now it come to the third blink, third LED, and then long press. Now it will start blinking fast, and now go to that connect devices, and here it will start showing that Dell mouse Bluetooth. So now it has connected. Now you can see that there is a cursor appears on my phone. Then it will also able to type the things here. So it is working perfectly.